If you're not using these AI tools in 2026, you're missing out on the easiest side income ever. Seriously, there are folks making $100, $200, even $400 a day with nothing but AI and a laptop. Hey, welcome back to Mickey Money AI. I'm Mickey, your go-to for turning AI into real money. No BS, just strategies that actually work. Today, I'm giving you a rapid-fire rundown of the hottest AI tools everyone is using right now for side cash in 2026. We're talking zero experience, zero fluff, just actionable step-by-steps. By the end, you'll know which of these tools fits your style and which one I use to consistently clear $200 a day. Ready? Smash subscribe if you want more real AI money hacks. And let's go. Section 1, CanvaAI x Fiverr, rapid design income. Let's start with something almost anyone can do, graphic design for side income. But relax, you don't need to be an artist. That's where CanvaAI, just launched in 2026, absolutely changes the game. Canva's new AI suite auto-generates full-on social posts, flyers, pitch decks, even logos, all in your own style. You literally just type what you want. Here's how people are stacking up. Set up a CanvaAI account, free to start, paid if you want watermark-free exports. Jump on Fiverr, Upwork, or even 99 Designs and list AI social graphics, AI pitch decks, or 90-minute logo delivery. Take customer requests, plug them into CanvaAI, tweak the results, and send back. Rinse and repeat. Emma, a college
junior in Texas, told me she's pulling $130 to $230 a day with 5 graphics gigs before class. Imagine selling 5 logos at $30 each, $150, half of which takes less than 2 hours total. If you're a student or you work full-time, this is pure leverage. You let AI handle 80% of the work. Don't overthink it. Just start small. CanvaAI's market is so new that you can make serious money with basic packages. And don't forget, you can scale up by offering express service or higher-res packages. Remember, the gold is in mastering the prompt plus tweaking output, not delivering AI crap straight up. Section 2, TaskPilot, micro-tasking for fast cash. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not creative? No problem. Enter TaskPilot, hands down the fastest way to make quick, low-effort cash in 2026. It's an AI-powered micro-tasking platform where you get paid to check, label, or correct AI data for companies all over the world. Think of it as the upgraded version of those old human intelligence tasks, but it pays better and the AI does most of the heavy lift. It works like this. Sign up. It's free and you get verified in under a day. Browse micro jobs. This week I see. Reviewing AI-generated TikTok captions. $1 per 10. Approving AI blog summaries. $3 per batch. Even evaluating chatbot tone. $7 per 10 tasks. You work as little or as much as you want. Most active users are clearing $70 to $120 daily, part-time. Top performers hit $300 plus. Here's a real example. Jordan from Seattle cleared $107 in a single Saturday, doing nothing but approve or reject tasks while watching Netflix. The secret here? These jobs are endless and refresh every few hours. Plus, AI helps check your work, so it's hard to mess up. Perfect if you want flexible, low stress, and quick payouts to PayPal, Venmo, or crypto. And they don't care about your location as long as you speak English. Section 3, PromptMart 2.0, sell AI prompts for passive income. Let's talk passive income, the kind everyone wants, but so few actually get. PromptMart 2.0 is brand new this year and already has 400,000 plus registered users. Here's the big idea. Create and sell prompt templates for ChatGPT, DALL-E, Bard, or any other AI. You write one killer prompt for marketing emails, lesson plans, image generation, whatever, and people can buy it for $3, $9, $25 a pop. You're literally selling prompts you invent once and getting paid every time someone downloads. How it works: sign up for PromptMart 2.0. It's free to list. Pick a hot niche. Things like viral TikTok scripts, 5-minute lesson plan generators, or job-winning resume builders are trend. Publish your prompt in a marketplace. Set your price. Write a short sales description. Every sale equals automatic payout. The platform takes about 8%. You keep the rest. I have an old student, Maya, making $1,300 per month with 3 prompts she wrote on a weekend. She hasn't touched them since. You don't need to be a coder or AI expert. Just good at imagining problems and solutions. Want to scale up? You can license your prompt to agencies, $350 plus per deal, or run exclusive workshops on the site. This is long tail, compounding side income. Section 4, GhostWriter AI, ebooks in an hour. Now, have you ever dreamed of selling an ebook without all the writing pain? GhostWriter AI just dropped a killer new auto-publish feature in 2026. Just paste your topic, subtitle, and audience vibe, and it generates a fully formatted, on-brand ebook in 60 minutes flat, with illustrations, summaries, quizzes, everything. Here's how to turn this into quick cash. Pick a low competition but trending topic like AI resume hacks for 2026, no-code side hustles, or travel hacking with AI. Feed your outline and 1 to 2 chapter starters in a GhostWriter AI. Get the finished book, they even design the cover. List on Kindle Direct, Gumroad, or sell my book for $9 to $20 each. Bonus, Offer custom branded versions to small businesses for $70 to $200 per package. My cousin Gabe netted $780 the very first month just selling AI side hustle playbook for nurses to college Facebook groups. And with the built-in AI fact checker, you won't get called out for plagiarism or out-of-date info. Everything is 2026 accurate. This won't make you rich overnight, but a few books can snowball. Think of it. One Saturday for ebooks, $1,000 plus a month hands off. Section 5, ClipGen AI. Video repurposing for influencer cash. You guys keep asking, how do creators make so much from short videos? ClipGen AI is how, and it just rolled out in January 2026. Upload any long YouTube or podcast episode, and within minutes, ClipGen AI finds the best moments and auto-edits them into viral TikToks or Instagram Reels. Text overlays, background music, AI-generated captions, the whole 9 yards. Who's using this? Tons of agencies, but you can too. Here's how people are cashing it. Grab permission from podcasters or lightly known YouTubers. They love extra reach. Use ClipGen AI to split their episodes into 20 to 30 viral shorts. Charge $4 to $12 per short or $150 plus per package on Fiverr, Upwork, or Cold DM. Elena from Liverpool landed a $700 per month retainer just making 40 shorts a week for a business podcast. The volume is insane and ClipGen does 80% of the labor for it. In 2026, if you're offering manual video shorts, you're already behind. Get ahead with AI. Scale tip. Bundle this with cross-posting and upsell scripted intros for recurring cash flow. Section 6. InstaRep AI. Instant social content for $5 to $50 per post. All right, let's keep it fast. InstaRep AI is a just-launched tool in March 2026 that auto-generates ready-to-post Instagram, Threads, and LinkedIn content. It's stupid easy. Plug in your niche, say, health meme, or recruitment tips, and your competitor's username. And InstaRep AI generates 10 to 30 unique posts with original captions, hashtags, even suggested posting times. Side hustlers are charging $5 to $50 per post to agencies and solopreneurs who just want fresh content daily, but don't have time or ideas. No design skills. Just tweet, hit download, and deliver. Join Facebook groups or DM small brands, gym owners, realtors, coaches. Offer 30-day done-for-you content calendar for $100 to $250, using InstaRep to batch produce all their posts in a month. Jasmine in Toronto started in February and already crossed $1,600 for March, her first real online income. If you can hit send on a DM, you can do this game. For extra cash, upsell engagement reports, InstaRep auto pulls metrics, so you just export and send. The volume is crazy. Agencies need this right now. Section 7. My number 1 2026
AI tool for $200 per day and why it wins. All right, I said I'd reveal my personal top earner at the end. Here it is, PromptMart 2.0. Why? Because it's pure set and forget. I published 9 strong prompts across 3 niches last month, and I now make around $6 to $10 per sale, averaging about $200 a day. No client wrangling, no delivery stress, 100% passive after the first. Here's a quick rundown if you want to try this tonight. Pick a niche with rabid demand for automation. Marketers and students are gold mines. Create a prompt that saves time / money. Content calendar, ad builder, essay optimize. Write a killer headline, upload your prompt, and market it with 1 TikTok or Reddit post. Done. Of course, all these tools can work together. Creative? Do CanvaAI. Mais Instahep. Prefer using your brain? TaskPilot plus PromptMart. Ambitious? Build your own product using these as a toolkit. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people still sleeping on AI in 2026. Wrap up / next steps. So, let me ask, which tool are you going to try first? Drop your pick in the comments. I'll reply to the best ideas. And don't forget, AI isn't magic, but it is leverage. Start small, iterate, repeat. Your first $100 online this year might just change what you think is possible. Subscribe if you want more dead honest AI money tutorials. And if you want advanced breakdowns, my next video drops the top 5 AI fail side hustlers keep making in 2026. Don't miss it. Catch you in that one.